Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I am hopping on very quickly today because I think that I might have something that will be of use to some of us. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new friends and all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to my longtime friends and subscribers. Thank you all so much for the awesome way in which you support me and my channel. Y'all, with the price of everything around us going up, I have made a commitment on my channel not to do hauls and to use what I have whenever possible. Of course, there are things that I must buy, like tape and glue, but things like paper, embellishments, ephemera, I have so much of that I am making a very, very conscious effort to not purchase those. I am committed to only sharing with you those things that I think might be of use to you, and that is exactly what we are doing today. Y'all, I was in the Dollar Tree because I like to use their sponges and their paper napkins and paper towels and nail files as background support in the way that I craft when I'm not on camera. So while I was in the Dollar Tree, I always check out the craft section because there might be something in there that I desperately want to share with you that you might be able to give a try. And that's what I found this time. What I found in the Dollar Tree, I found two things that I think are going to be very helpful to those of us who craft. One of them I'm not ready to show you yet, but this one I am. These are the Dollar Tree's brand of deco scissors. Some of you might remember a couple weeks ago, I showed and used my deco scissors that I've had for a long time in my stash, and we used them on a very quick project. Now, I have never seen the Dollar Tree version of the deco scissors. Some of you might be familiar with them being in the store. I had not seen them in my store until now. And I was super excited about this because let's say you're a newbie to paper crafting and you don't have all the bells and whistles, the die cutters, the things like that, but you want to get some decorative looks to some of your projects. Well, now you don't need to go buy a whole set. You can buy one pair of these scissors and give it a try to see if it's a technique that you might like. And that way you are not investing a whole lot in something that you might find you really don't care about. And y'all, I'm personally super excited because we can use scissors like this to achieve a lot of different looks that we might use a die cutting system for. So I'm going to flip my overhead camera and give you a closer look. And so hopefully you can see these. These are the Crafter Square brand of deco scissors. I have not opened these because I wanted to open them and try them on camera with you guys. So let me just go ahead and get all of these open. The weight and the construction of these feel very similar to the ones that I showed you in my video. So what we have here, looks like we have the edging that looks like pinking shears. Then we have the wavy edge. And then we have the scalloped edge. Now they might have had more edges, but I only saw these three. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to test this out to see how these cut in comparison to my other scissors. And y'all, pleased, these cut very smoothly. They're easy to align. It is so that I can get the straightest edge possible. Look at how this looks. So there's that one. And you can actually take this edging and use it on your project as well. Let's try these and see what we get. I honestly don't see any performance difference in these versus the ones that I have had for a long time. So bravo to the Dollar Tree for having the deco scissors. And hopefully you're able to see that nice edging on there. I am going to try this one to see what look we get. And y'all, I have to say, I am very, very pleased with what I'm seeing here. I think this was a very good find. I think that if you don't have any of the deco scissors and you want to give them a try, y'all, you're not going to be disappointed, because look at how this looks going across. And y'all, there are the 3 looks that we were able to achieve using the Dollar Tree Deco Edge scissors. I have been familiar with scissors like this for a very long time, and I can tell you that based on my long history and experience with using scissors like this, I did not notice or feel any difference in the quality of these and the cutting of these than the others that I've used. The cutting was just as sharp and crisp. The construction appears to be the same. This is my initial test and review of these scissors. I'll continue to use them, and if I notice that there are any issues with it, of course, I'll come back and I'll share that with you. But let's make a very, very quick project so we can see what we can do with these. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to make a very quick card base. Don't know if I'm going to make the whole card, but we're going to start with the base that measures 8.5 by 5.5, and then we're going to score it at 4 1/4. And then I'll give this a very quick folding and burnishing. So now I'm going to take my scissors and I am going to start right at the corner. And I'm going to make sure that when I'm cutting across, I use this portion as my guide. So I'm going to have the edge of the paper always aligned with the edge of this guide. And that's going to help me keep it straight. So here is my first stopping point. I will take one of the grooves on the blade that matches that and place it inside of that cut and continue going across. That is how we get the nice clean cut when you're doing these scissors. And so there I have my nice wavy base. I'll take this piece of white cardstock that measures 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to place down some tape. And now we can take this we can put it down like that. And so now we have a very nice little card base, and I have pulled out some of the pieces of ephemera that we made in a previous video. Let's see if we can do something with these. I am going to bring out my sticker book, see what I have in here. And I think what I want to do is I am just going to add some greenery. So I am not going to place that all the way down just yet, because I want to see if what I'm thinking is what I like. So I'm going to place that there. Then we can take that and place it right there. So I need some more greenery just to fill in. So I'm going to put a little bit of greenery right there. And I am going to go ahead and smooth that out because I like where this is going. And we can use any one of these that we like. And I think I actually like this one that says homemade with love. So that's all I'm going to do to this. I am going to take my tape runner, add just a little bit of tape. It's not even Make a Card Monday, y'all, and we are making a card. But I wanted you to be able to see how we can take those decorative edge scissors and get that same look on our card that you see on other card bases that might have been run through a die cutter, a Cricut, a Silhouette. We can get that same look using our scissors. So I am going to go ahead and finish off this card by adding in this little writable base on the inside. And this base measures 3 3/4 by 3 1/2. So So I am just going to take this, place it right there, bring my little book of stickers back in because I want to put just a little something on this. So I'm going to take that, place it right there, give that some cuteness. Then I'm going to take this little butterfly and we're going to place him right in the corner. How sweet. Like I said, it's not even Make a Card Monday, but we're making a card. So there is our finished card with that nice finished edge. Here is a pair of the scissors that I showed you that I have had for quite a while. And here are the scissors that I was able to find at the Dollar Tree. One thing that you will immediately notice is that the Dollar Tree scissors are larger and they have larger openings for the fingers, which might help if you have hand dexterity issues. But y'all, I'm giving these Dollar Tree Crafter Square scissors 2 thumbs up. I know that not everyone has a Dollar Tree in their area, but if you do, and you happen to be in the crafting section, and you're looking for a low-cost way to get decorative edges, check out these scissors. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's non-sponsored product discovery and review. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.